So far, we have been using Python regular dictionaries. In newer version of Python, dictionaries generally preserve the insertion order of keys. However, if you want to programmatically change that order, a normal dictionary has limited capabilities. Let's assume we have a list of tasks. Now, if we decide that the item coding should be moved to the end of the list, there is no direct way to do that using a standard dictionary. This is where OrderedDict comes into play. First, we import it from the collections module. Now, we place the same data inside an OrderedDict. Okay. One of the interesting features of OrderedDict is the move to end method. For example, if we want to move meeting to the end of the dictionary, okay? And if we want to move a key to the beginning of the dictionary, we simply pass last equal false. And print it. Another useful method is popitem. This method removes and returns the last item. If we want to remove the first item instead, we use last equal false. Okay, we can also remove a specific key, just like a normal dictionary. So, OrderedDict has almost all the capability of a regular dictionary, but it also provides extra tools for managing the order of items. If order matters in your project, such as processing sequence, workflow, or data handling, then OrderedDict can be a great choice, giving you more control compared to a standard dictionary. Subscribe for more Python tips.